now time for the other game. So my wife likes to always start by looking for the nines, then eights, and sevens, pretty much in that order. I do things a bit differently. I like to look for things with 5 or 6 digits in it, because I can usually write in at least one of the other three. So column, this is 5. We'll do that. I need what looks like 2, 6, and 7. Well, this one can't be 2. This is 6 or 7. This one can't be 7. This is 2 or 6. This one can be anything. Well, actually, that can't be 6. It's already in the box. But 1 and 6 are... What did we say? 2, 6, and 7. Well, it can't be 6. This is 2 or 7. Well, that's about as useful as mud. I've got 3 different 2-digit pairs of digits. Out of one of them resolving the other one. Well, let's see. There's a 1 and there's a 1. In my top 3 rows, that forces 1 in the middle of box 2. It has to go here. Let's see. There's a 6, and there's a 6. That forces a 6 in the bottom of box 1 in one of 2 spots. But I can't do much of anything beyond that one. There has to be something else with 6 digits in it, otherwise this is going to be longer than I was expecting. Alright, well, row 2 now has 6 digits. I'm missing what looks like 2, 4, and 5. Neither of these can be 4, and this can't be 2, so that's a 5. Which forces that to be a 2, and that to be a 4. Now in box 1, I'm missing 3 and 6. I can't rule out 3 from either of these positions either, but 3, 6, 7, 9, 1 will go a long way towards filling out row 3, but let's see what else I can do in box 2 first. I'm missing 2, 3, and 4. This one can't be 4, so that's 2 or 3. Oh, she's saying by this 4 and this 4, and that 4, so that has to be 4. Well, okay, that means this is also 2 or 3 to fill out that box. But since I had 3, 6 here, this can't be a 3, so that's a 2, which makes that 3. I now have 6 digits in row 1. I'm missing 2, 7, and 9. This can't be 9 or 7. This is 2. So these 2 are 7, 9, but this can't be 9, so that's 7, which makes that 9. And that gives me 7 digits in box 3. I'm missing 5 and 8, but this one can't be 8, so that's a 5, which forces that to be an 8. And now I have to work on other parts of the grid. Column 9, I have 7 digits. I'm missing 1 and 6. This one can't be 6, so that's a 1, which makes that 6. This 6 and this 6 forces a 6 on the left in box 6, but it can't go here because of this 6. That forces a 6 right there. That gives me 7 digits in row 4. I'm missing 3 and 5, and I can write those in. That gives me 7 digits in box 6. I'm missing 2 and 7, and I can write those in. And row 5 now has everything but 1 filled in. 1 digit, that is. I'm missing a 3. That 3 tells me that's a 6, which tells me that's a 3. And then column 4 has everything but 1 digit filled in. That's missing a 7, which tells me that's a 2. And that means box 5 has to be filled out with a 9. This 2 will tell me that's 6, and that's 7 to finish that out. Let's see, column 8, I have all but 2 digits in. I need 4 and 8, and I can write those in. That gives me all but 2 digits in box 9. I'm missing 2 and 5. And thanks to this 2 here, I know that's a 5, which tells me that's a 2. I have 7 digits in column 2. I'm missing 1 and 8. This one can't be 8 because of that. So that's a 1, which forces that to be an 8. That gives me 7 digits in row 6. I'm missing 5 and 6. And thanks to this 5, I know that's a 6, which tells me that's a 5. Okay, in row 9, I have 6 things placed. I'm missing what looks like 2, 4, and 7. This one can't be 4 or 7. That's a 2. So these other 2 are 4, 7 pair, and I can write them in. That gives me 7 out of 9 digits in box 8. I'm missing 1 and 5. Thanks to this 5, I know that's a 1, which tells me that's a 5. Row 7, I have everything filled in except 6. Column 3, I have everything filled in except 3. And then we finish off with a 1.